Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. This video will be detailed in Turkish Dalyan meatballs. This is not an easy recipe and it will be a meal of 100 people. I will show all the materials we will use in detail. Ingredients for meatballs. Medium fat veal and lamb meat mixed. For example, 12 kilograms of meat required for the flavor of having 3 kilograms of lamb meat mixed. Parsley and dill. A little bitterned bread or breadcrumbs. Salt, cumin, and black pepper. Onion. Egg. Carrot. Fresh boiled or canned peas. Meat water. Tomato paste. Semolina. Crushed garlic. Add dry bread slices into the meat. Add parsley and dill. Other materials to be added after machine operation. Pass the meat slices through the mincemeat with bread and parsley. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Add breadcrumbs. Add eggs. Add crushed garlic. Add salt, black pepper and cumin. Add finely sliced onions. Add semolina. Blend completely. Some water can be added according to the consistency. Can be passed through the machine for the second time to completely mix. If you have a dough kneading machine, you can prepare this item by stirring for 10 minutes. Mincing will be held in the deep hillside for 20 minutes and the consistency will be better. Peel the carrots to boil and bring ready-made vases. Add the ends of the peeled carrots into the precise container. Add the eggs into the boil pot. Add water into the carrots and eggs and boil. Keep the boiled material cool. All the way to the top is divided into 10 or 12 equal parts. A piece of mince about 1,750 grams. Shape the staff on the counter. Prepare to lay eggs and carrots. Add boiled carrots, eggs and peas. Close with caution. It will be a big meatball and it will be easier if you do it in the hill. Be careful that the material you put into it is too small. Plump the meatballs with the battered egg. The roasts ready to cook in the oven. Place the roasts in the cold oven. Cook 90 minutes at 100 degrees in low temperature. Prepare a sauce while baking in a coffler. Add pot of liquid sunflower oil. Add the same amount of flour and stir. Continue mixing with intervals. After the flour is a little roast, add tomato paste and stir. Add boiling water and stir. Add salt and sugar. Stir meat juice. Sauce will be ready after it boils. Transfer the cold pancake after removing the roasted pancakes. Stay somewhere in the air for cooling. The koftal is ready to slice after it has cooled down. Use a sharp, thin blade. Slice the roasts evenly. Place the sliced corners horizontally on the oven tray. The rooftop is well closed at first and can be opened while cooking. One slice of meatball will suffice for one person. Large tray for 40 people and small for 20 people. Add hot sauce prepared. Meatballs ready to serve after adding sauce. You can serve yogurt with rice and salad. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.